party people. Jennifer Woolsey here, your local Avon representative. And it's Monday for me here, day number 26 or 27 of quarantine, isolation, social distance, whatever you want to call it. It's crazy. Anyway, I was treating my skin today because I didn't want to put any makeup on. It's been a crazy day. It's about midday already here for me. But I got into a little tiff with my puppy dog this morning. We were playing and he pawed me and he hit me. So I have been icing my face, trying to get that swelling down, and decided that I needed to go ahead and do a little skincare treatment on my face since I've been putting all that ice on it, and I wanted to share it with you. So I'm bored, needed human interaction to talk to. Thought, why not hop on and talk to my friends on the Beauty Biz page. Okay, this hair, it's something else. Anyway, so whenever your dog paws you, it leaves a little mark. And so ice, for some reason, my face does not respond well to ice. So I'm going to show you a little bit about what I'm going to do for that. I'm super excited because we have a really special offer going on right now that is like unstoppable. So whenever you buy one of our serums, so that's like our anti-pollution, our 1.5 hyaluronic acid, our retinol line eraser, which is great for pore size and deep wrinkles, the vitamin C serum, any of those serums, you also get the facial oil for free. So this facial oil is going to help take some of that redness out. That's the really cool thing about that facial oil, is it takes redness out. So I've already done, I did my Zika peptide. I do layers. You guys know I do layers of skincare. So I'm going to use the anti-pollution, which is good to help take like toxins, pollen. Pollen, especially in Texas right now, is horrible. And you can see it's black. It's black. So we're going to put this on my face, especially where I have been icing it. But if you guys have been cleaning and dusting in your house, maybe getting things off the shelves that you haven't taken off in a while, your skin is probably soaking up all that dust. And that's the cool thing with the anti-pollution serum, is it's going to help to kind of clean that out of your pores, which we all need. Hi, Amanda. How are you? It's about midday for me here. I'm just now doing a little bit of skincare. I was saying that my dog and I got in a wrestling match and he pawed me. So you can see a little bit of a wrinkle. Anyway, I'm going to do that first, and then I'm going to show you how to take some of this redness out of your skin. Our Green Goddess facial oil is a CBD oil. It has 4 ingredients in it, so it's neat, which means it doesn't have a bunch of added junk. And watch. Whoa. Isn't that cool? Okay, so we're going to just add a little bit on my fingers. I like to add it on my fingers because I don't like to waste. And I'm just going to pat it in, especially on my nose area, which always seems to be red. And it's a drying oil, so it's not going to make your skin oily. It actually will help control oil in your skin, which is really cool. And I'm just going to pat it in. This is what you do on day like 29 million of isolation, right? I looked yesterday, it was like April 5th or April 6th, and I was like, we have to do this till the end of April. We can do this. We can do this. I'm thankful today that I have skincare, which is something to take my mind off of everything going on crazy in the world. My boys think they need to eat 9 million times a day, so I feel like I'm cooking constantly. So I've learned to cook big meals so I can warm it up for the next meal so that they don't think they have to eat 1 million times. So anyway, I did my anti-pollution. And then you're going to use your Green Goddess facial oil last. That's a cool tip. Whenever you're doing face cream, you always want to use a facial oil last. And you can already tell, it's amazing how much it took the redness out. That is so cool. I'm going to go ahead and put a little foundation on and let you guys see how good that, that Cashmere Complexion covers up. So don't forget, special offer. If you buy any of these serums, you're going to get that Green Goddess for free. Let me show you. Let's do a little primer. Prime. VDL primer. We're just going to mix a little bit on our hands. prime. I didn't intend to put makeup on, but I'm thinking, why not? Why not? We'll put a little bit on and show you how it covers that, that bruise. I'm really impressed with this new foundation. It's long wearing, 24 hour. I don't know who's going to be wearing foundation for 24 hours, but if you are that person, then here is your foundation. Okay, we're patted in. It's awesome. Amazing how that facial oil. So if you know people with like rosacea or other skin concerns, of course they want to ask their doctor first. But that facial oil could definitely be a great option to help take the redness out in their skin. Okay, so I'm using the Cashmere Complexion in shade Cannoli. It warms the oil by... Oh, okay. All right. Well, maybe that's why I prefer to do it on my fingers. That's a good tip, Amanda. Because it does. It feels a lot better on my skin whenever I do that. Okay, I got my little puppy wet. Okay, y'all ready? Ooh, ooh. I don't know why. I guess because I've been cleaning out closets and been just probably a little bit more active at home than I normally am because I'm normally working, but with chasing the boys around, I feel like that my skin is needing that little bit of extra nourishment. That it's just so, it's probably because we're in the house more than normal is what it is. Your heating and cooling units actually pull a lot of moisture from your skin. So you got to add it back in. We're doing that today. There we go. So look, that little bruise that my sweet little puppy gave me. I cannot believe we were just playing and we were doing homeschool with the boys, and he wanted to wrestle. So I got in there and wrestled with him, and bam, bruise. But it's covered up. It's so awesome. I love it when I have a foundation that does that. You know, it does the covering up. It takes away that redness in your skin. It just makes your skin feel so much better too, which is awesome. Where are you going today? Nowhere. I wasn't even going to put makeup on, but I got on here and got to talking and thought, well, I'll put some on. I did go at 7:30 this morning to Walmart. I go on Mondays to pick up our groceries. And I wore a mask and I wore gloves. And everybody was wearing masks and gloves, and it's like the freakiest thing you've ever seen. It boggles my mind that I never thought 6 weeks ago that we would be at a place where you have to wear a mask to the grocery store. Cashmere Complexion and Tarte. It really saddened me. Nobody wanted to walk near each other. I got a lash there. Nobody wanted to walk near each other. Everybody, you know, was keeping their social distance. And people just looked terrified, what I could see, because my mask kept making my gloves fog up. I mean, my glasses fog up, you know, so, and I didn't see a whole lot. But, you know, it's just sad that we're in a time when we have to do what we have to do to keep our family safe. But, I don't know, just to see the fear in people's eyes, it makes me sad, and it makes me just remember even more why we need to count our blessings and think about the things that we're thankful for instead of worrying about the things that we don't have. And I know there's a lot in our country that are going without, and I pray for them. It breaks my heart to think, you know, that people have lost jobs and that people, you know, don't have the money that they need to take care of their bills and take care of their families, and I'm praying that they're getting the help that they need. What are you going to do for your boys for Easter? Well, see, my boys are kind of over the whole egg hunting thing. They don't really enjoy that. So I did buy some steaks. So we're going to cook out steaks and bake potatoes. We usually have a big family get together with Chad's family, and then my family comes up and we have a big get together with them. That isn't going to happen. So I guess we're going to cook out steaks and maybe play some cornhole in the backyard. Hopefully it'll be nice. What are y'all doing for Easter? That's a good question. Dark brown eye pencil. Just kind of coloring those brows in a little bit. I mean, if we're going to do makeup, we might as well just do it all the way, right? Not just do anything halfway around here. Okay, so now we're going to go in with a little bit of translucent loose powder. I'm so excited about our new magic dust that's coming. You guys are going to be crazy about it. It's so pretty. There we go. So the cool thing about a translucent loose powder is it's going to set your makeup for the day and kind of let it stay in place. You really can't see the bruise. Yay! Success! I feel like I at least succeeded at one thing today, right? Covering up my bruise. It's kind of like the, never mind, I'm not going to talk about those days when you had to cover up things. All right, we're going to use the Send Roses palette. This is a beautiful palette. It has some beautiful colors, and you can actually still get this on the website. I thought that they had sold out, but I looked yesterday and it's still available. So you can still pick this up. And it's got all these pretty pinkish, rose, brown colors. I'm using this lightest shade right here just to cover my lids of my eyes. And there we go. I think we will use, let's use this goldish color here and work our crease. Oh, it's going to have a little sparkle in it. Oh, and it has a little bit of fallout. You got to be careful with those sparkle colors. They have a little bit of fallout. It's okay. It's still pretty. It's still pretty. Do this side. It's going to give us a softer look. Not quite as bold as we normally go. If you will really work in that crease bone area, it's amazing kind of the 3D effect that you will get. And then we'll do this light pink here as our blending color. Why not? Why not bring it all together with a little bit of pink? What do you think? Pretty, 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 pretty. All right. Making sure that didn't fall out completely on my cheeks. I'm going to use one of our older blushes. This is our Earthen Rose. I love this color. It's such a rich, pretty color. I'm going to go kind of light on that side because I already have the little bruise. And then let's line with our Super Extend Precision. Trying to get ideas. Main thing will be biblical. Yes, definitely. Oh, you know what I forgot we were going to do on Easter? We are having drive-in church. Our church is doing a drive-in where our band and our preacher is going to be set up on like a trailer in the front of our parking lot. And then we're going to pull in and go to church, just like you're going to the drive-in movie theater. Just going to be a lot of fun. We are really excited about that. I forgot totally about that. Amanda, for your girls, look up resurrection eggs on Google. Resurrection eggs are a very cool way to tell the Bible story of Jesus' death and resurrection, and you can put little things in Easter eggs, and you can tell the story with the girls. We used to do that with the boys when they were younger. It's a lot of fun. Love mascara. You may still have time to order something on, you know, if you went to one of the stores like Michael's or Hobby Lobby online, you might could still order those. We're going to Love mascara up here. Gonna love those lashes all the way up. Guys, I'm like out of new material. Out of new material. It is like, you get me on day 29 million of quarantine with a few makeup tips. And I am just counting my blessings that we have a house. We have food to eat. My check engine light came on my minivan today. I don't know what's going on with that. I turned it off and I'm just like, I'm just gonna pray and just pray it goes off, because who wants to even deal with trying to go to an auto mechanic right now? I mean, it's crazy. All right, I'm going to use Respect from our Give It To kit. You guys, this has 3 beautiful colors in it, but this Respect is my favorite Mattitude that we've ever had, I think. It's such a pretty color. It's more of a nude. What do you think? I love that color. Absolutely love that color. We'll take the hair down, get the full effect. The bruise is covered up. Yes, we are winning. We are winning today. I didn't mean to do a makeup tutorial at 1 o'clock in the afternoon, but you are welcome. I hope this is tips that helped you to add into your makeup routine. Don't forget that great deal. Don't forget to pick up one of these awesome serums. This one is my favorite for nighttime because it helps with deep wrinkles and deep pores. Get the dust and pollen out of your skin. And then you're going to get your facial oil for free. Helps take the redness out and makes your skin feel so much better. And I put that on under my makeup and you can tell that it definitely didn't make my skin oily. Actually made it feel better from putting ice on it. So there's a little makeup tip. Please share this video. Maybe somebody else will learn something from it that will be helpful for them, and it will help support our family, and I appreciate it. If you want to shop for any of these products, you can do so with your local Avon representative, or you can do so at your avon.com/jwoolsey, and I'll put that in the comments for you. Come to Arkansas. Victor can hook you up. No doubt. I may have to come to Arkansas and get a new van. I'm like, I just bought this van like 2 years ago. Pretty sure it's because I hadn't changed the oil in a while, so I got my oil changed, and I'm praying that that fixes it. So, say a prayer. Say a prayer for the silver bullet. That's what I call my van. I hope that y'all have a great day. Thanks for getting ready with me. I love you all, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye, guys.